Welcome to All Time Free Tutor. Today we'll learn the trick video of fractional addition and subtraction. That means we have shown already that how easy, how quickly or how easily we can add this fraction or subtraction. So what we have to do first, we have to take the LCM of these three numbers 48, 40 and 2. I am writing the numbers 48, 40 and 2. Obviously 2 is the first, 1. Next we can take 4, okay. So now what is the multiplication? What is the LCM? 5 to the 10. 2 into 5, 10. 4 into 6, 24. And 24 into 10, 240. So this is 240. Okay. Now the question is which number we have to multiply with 11. Here it is plus, so it will be plus. Here it is minus, so it is minus. I am writing. Now we have to decide what number we have to multiply with 11, what number we have to multiply with 3 and what number we have to multiply with 2. 1. Now here it is 48. So we have to cover 48. We have to cover 48 from here. 6 I am covering by my hand. Okay, I cannot cover here by my hand, you cannot realize, so I am covering in this way. I am covering 6, 4, 24 into 2, 48. I am covering 48. 48 is covered. What is remaining? 5 and 1. That means 5. 5 into 1, 5. So we have to multiply this with 5. Clear? Now we have to cover 40. 40. How can we cover 40? We have to cover 5, then 4 and then 2. It is multiplication of these three number is equals to 40. Okay. So what is remaining? 6 into 1. 6 into 1 means 6. So I am removing my fingers. So we have to multiply with 6. Now which number we have to multiply with 1? Here it is 2. We have to cover 2 only. So I am covering 2 only. Okay, what is remaining? 4 5s are 20. 20 into 6. That means 120. 20 into 6 means 120. Okay. So what is this answer? This is 240. Oh sorry, I have not removed. I have to remove my finger. Okay, I have remove my fingers. So we have to multiply it with 120. It is 240. Now it is 11 into 5, 55. 3 6 is 18. This is 120. Okay, this is plus and this is minus. Okay, so if we practice properly, we can jump, we can reach from this step to this step directly. Okay, got my point? We can easily jump from this step to this step. Okay, if you cannot understand, I am watching one more video. Copy. If you think no, I should take a top number, okay, I am taking this top number. I am taking this top number. Okay, I am taking this top number. So I am clearing it. What are the digits? 102, 168 and 96. Okay, so we will take 2 first. It will be 51, 84, 48. Okay, so what will we take next? We can take 2 once again. 51, this is 42, this is 24. We can do 2 once again. 51, this is 21, this is 12. So 2 cannot be taken anymore, have to take 3. If we take 3, then it is 17, this is 7 and this is 4. Okay, complete. So what is the multiplication of this LCM? LCM is very large number. Okay, it is not very easy to do this multiplication. Okay, I am not wasting time for multiplication of these two phone numbers. Okay, 2 8, there is a 24. That means LCM is 24 into 17 into 28. This is our LCM. Okay, this is our LCM. Okay, now what we have to multiply? Multiply 61 with 61 with which number? 102. We have to cover 102. 102 means, look at here, this is 102 line, that means 17 must have to be covered. This is 102, so 17 must have to be covered. I have covered 17. Okay, and then these 3. Okay, and these 2 I am covering. This is 102. Why? Because by these two it has been changed, by these two it is not changed, by these two it is not changed, by these three it is changed. So this 3's multiplication is 102. So what is remaining? 2 to the 4, 4 4 is the 16, 16 into 7. 16 into 7 into 61. This is, we have to multiply it and paste here. So directly I have put it the number here. Okay, now 168. Now 168. I am removing my fingers. I have forgot to remove my fingers. Okay. Now 168. This is 168. So 7 must be covered. Okay. And next, for these two it is changed. For these two it is changed. For these two it is changed. For these three it is changed. So multiplication of these numbers are 168. So what is remaining? 4 17s are 68. So we have to multiply 65 into 68. Okay, I am covering my hand. 65 into 68 minus. Okay, just multiply and put the number directly here. Now 96, I have to cover 96. I forgot to uncover this hand. Okay, 96. 96 means I have to cover, I must have to cover this one first. Okay, due to these two, it is changed. 98 has become 48. So I am covering this. Due to these two, it is changed. 48 changed to 24. So I have to cover this. For these two, it has changed. For this 7, for this 3, it is changed. So multiplication of these is equals to 96. Okay, so what is remaining? 17 into 7. 17 into 7 into 1. That means it is 17 into 7. Now I am removing my hands. It is 17 into 7. 17 into 7. So very easily we can jump 2 steps here. I hope it is clear to you. Now next problem, if you are a lower class student, for them only. Higher class students can do this addition subtraction very easily because they know what is the negative number system. Negative number. Okay, so they don't need to continue this watch this video. But if you are a lower class students, those who do not know what is the negative numbers, for them only I am showing this. Okay, so for this purpose, what you have to do, you already included in this sheet, you have to open this negative number. You have to open this negative number sheet. You will get it, and you have to do these operations yourself. Okay, you have to practice these problems. Okay, write the answer yourself in your copy, and thereafter go below and check whether the answer is right or wrong. If it is wrong, where is the mistake? You can identify, and thereafter, learning the mistake, once again you can change. Okay, and practice. If you have the confidence of making this type of simple things easily, then you can solve that cases of fraction. Okay, so what is the rules here? The rules is simple. Rules is you have to separate the numbers. You have to separate the numbers. Look at the here. The numbers are separated here. 4 is together combined and 1 is kept separated. Why? Why? Because these two, okay, above of these two it is minus, and 4, 8, 1, 3 all are positive number. Plus is before those numbers. Okay, plus is put, okay, before the 4 it is plus, before 8 it is plus, before 1 it is plus, before 3 it is plus, only 2 is minus. So 2 is kept separate and all the other things kept separate. Okay, thereafter it is added to 16 and it remains minus 2. So 16 minus 2, 16 minus 2. It is possible. So answer is 14 and plus 9. Now I am coming to the next section. Okay, just changing it for other typical problems. It is also simple. I am not. You can do this very easily. I am coming to this problem. This is a very tricky problem. Look at here, these numbers. Minus is before 3, 10 and first 5. So we have to group of 3, 10 and 5. And another group will be 1 and 5. Look at here. One group is 1 and 5. Another group is 3, 10 and 5. Okay. So 1 and 5 means 6. If we sum, it is 6. And sum of this group is 18. Okay. So what is the number? Number has become plus 6 minus 18. Why minus? Because this is minus. These numbers are minus group. This group are minus group number. This is our plus group number. Now plus 6 minus 18. It is not possible. Minus 6 plus 6 minus 18. We cannot subtract 6 from 18. We can subtract 18 from 6. So what will we have to do? Okay. So in that case, we have to subtract 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 equals to 12. Okay. 18 minus 6 equals to 12. Now, which one is the larger? 6 is larger or 18 is larger? Obviously, 18 is larger. What is the sign of 18? Minus. So, it is minus. Okay, you just repeat this video and practice these problems few times. You can easily use the shortcut method, quicker method of fractional addition and subtraction. I hope you will not face any problem anymore. Thank you.